Here is a Suzuki Hustler bearing the VRARVA IO badge, given a complete body modification by the VRARVA CyberX racing branch of Kuo Racing Japan. The IO is based on Suzuki's mini-city car, the Hustler, powered by a hybrid engine setup. While the original Hustler is already attractive due to its angular body and spacious cabin while maintaining an overall length of 3.4 meters, the VRAVRA brings a whole new dimension to it. IOA's VRARVA engine chosen for this configuration is a naturally aspirated 0.65-liter hybrid unit, combined with a CVT transmission and front-wheel drive. The body has been raised by 10 centimeters, giving a total ground clearance of 28 centimeters, matched with 15-inch VRARVA DW01 wheels and Dunlop Grand Trek AT5 tires for an even more original style. Just imagine IO with a turbo engine coupled with Suzuki's advanced four-wheel drive system would be a great alternative to the Jimny. The IO body package redefines the Hustler's image, giving it a more futuristic and high-tech style, reminiscent of off-road Jeep-type vehicles. The kit consists of 9 elements, starting with an all-new front bumper, front grille with proud VRARVA emblem, distinctive bonnet, and all-new wing garnishes. The side featured custom mirrors, sills, and side moldings. At the rear, a brave new look is created by a short, tailored bumper that integrates seamlessly with the rear wings. The rear hatch has also been given a new appearance thanks to a horizontal strip that connects the rear lights. All elements are neatly finished and bear an elegant logo. VRAVRA can also offer body component kits, so you can personalize your own Hustler or order a new or used Suzuki and pick up a finished, tailored full car with a paint job of your choice at one of Kuo Racing's selected dealers in Japan. Hit the like button and subscribe to follow unique car reviews and car show recaps from Japan. Feeling inspired? Get now your Hustler from beforward. Visit beforward.jp. For inquiries, email us at top@beforward.jp.